UK-based startup Humanoid has released a first look at its vision for a near-future world where robots work alongside people in real environments. The teaser video reveals a glimpse of HMND 01, its forthcoming humanoid robot set to debut later this year. Unlike many projects still stuck in the lab, this prototype targets actual use cases like pick-and-place tasks, wheeled mobility, and bipedal motion for logistics and manufacturing. Founded just last year, Humanoid has already expanded into a 130-person team with offices in London, Boston, and Vancouver. According to founder Artem Sokolov, the mission is simple but ambitious. Eliminate repetitive, physically demanding tasks from human workflows. With a practical approach and a focus on reliability and safety, Humanoid is positioning itself as a key player in the transition from experimental robotics to scalable workforce integration.